Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to M.Shakir. Today we are discussing the screen sequence in our series of SAP module pool programming. Today we will discuss how we can control the sequence of any screen and how we can call another screen and how to manage all the screen transaction by using the screen numbers, and also we will explore the screen attributes behavior in detail, and also we did a practical example of using a screen live on the system. So let's begin. First of all, let's understand the initial screen value is fixed when we create a transaction. So while creating a transaction in SC93, you can also observe that it's give the screen number of transaction. So then it calls the particular screen. And next, the next screen number determined by clicking the user input. It means the next screen will be depend on the user input. Either he wants to calling the display screen, either he want to display the in the sales example that we call the delivery screen, and by using the sale order transaction, and we call the invoicing screen by using the sale order transaction. So same as that, and the user input, the next screen is depend on the user input, what the user want to call. Also the statement what control the sequence of screen is the set screen statement. We will use this later in this video. Next screen is processed either when the current screen processing end or when you terminate it using the leave screen statement. It means the process of the next screen begin when the current screen's processing end, or we use the leave screen. After leave screen, the system automatically want to find that what will be the next screen number, so then the system call the next screen. To leave the current screen and set the next screen, do use leave to screen. We can also use the leave to screen transaction in a one statement, so then the system, the SAP will leave the current screen and call the next screen. Also we can use the call screen by only calling the calling any screen. Last but not least, we can completely exit from the application by using the leave program statement. We will also have practical demo of this statement also. So for now, let's you understand that if we have two screen, first screen number is 100 and the second screen number is 200, we can call it by fixing its next screen number 200, and by fixing the next screen number of screen number 200 to 300. And also both screens will be called, and both screen will be managed by using the PAI event, which is the most important event, process after input event of the module pool programming, as we discussed in my previous video. If you still not watch that videos, do watch that videos and also understand what are the screen behaviors. As we have created the input screen in my previous video, but with the screen number 100, let's first explore it and then move on. We have the module change screen, and we have discussed in detail, and also in the layout editor we have only two fields, says document and created on. So let's first move on to the module user command. So then we control the sequence of the screen. So let's first create another screen which we will call from this screen number 1000. So let's call the SE51 another session, Here it is. Now by default it's giving 1000 screen. If we want to create another screen with the same attribute, with the same field elements, we have to click on the copy button. The system is asking the next screen number because the program number will be the same. You can also change the program number, or you can also you must have to change the screen number. So I am changing here 1000 to 2000 and click on the OK button. Here it is. Let's go to the change mode. So each and everything has been copied with the layout editor. Let's see the fields. The two fields will also be there. The same two fields will also be there. Here it is. So let's get back to. Let's activate it first. Okay. Now change the layout of this screen, so then we can, when we will call, we will easily find that this is screen number 2000. So let's first make it a label, clear and visible label. Let's write it here, sales order, and name it sales order. Also, if I want to make it visible, clear, I go to the display and make it bright. Here it is. Now you can check that it's now its color has been changed to blue, and now it is visible, clear. Also, I want to change the sequence of two fields. You can also make your own sequence. You can also add your required, or as per business needs. You can also add a field screen as per your requirement. So I now change it to add the label sale order, and also change the sequence of the fields. Let's activate it first. Project. Here it is. Now our screen has been, our screen number 2, which is a sale order screen, is now activated. Let's get back to the screen number 1000 on the same program which we have created. Here it is. Now let's made it off, and let's on the user command 1000. It's by default, because by default name is user command 1000. We can also change its to the call screen, or anything. Till now I just click on the make it the same name, user command 1000, and now double click on the user command 1000. Click on the OK, click on the yes. Here it is. Here it is. Now we have to first check the value of user input, and the user inputs value have been saved into the variable syucom system. This is a system variable. If we have to check this first, sy-ucom is equal to so, we will call sale order, and we will we will fix the value of ucom to so. So then we will call the screen number 2, that is sale order. So let's write here leave to screen 2000, screen number only, because the program number is same, and that's all. This will leave the current screen, and then call the screen number 2000. So I just save it and activate it accordingly, and then move to the, and then I will create a button into the screen number 1, that is sales contract, and we will call the sale order screen from this sale contract screen. So let's move to the screen number 1 layout editor after activating it. Here it is. Now our module pool program has been activated. Let's get back to the layout editor of the screen number 1, that is sales contract. I also add a label which shows that this screen is a sales, and this screen is a sales contract screen. Sales contract, and also I move the value, the field of created on to the right side. Then also I can add the more fields from the dictionary, as you can, as you know, that if I can also add the ER name. Let's add this one, and let's add the randomly I select this one. The two field I have selected just for understanding. Okay. Now our screen is missing only one thing, that how we can call the sales order screen. So for this we have to create a button right here top of the screen, or we can move it to any. Let's I made it here. Also I place it here in the center of the screen. Let's name it out sale order, because we will call sale order from this button. Also I named it PB sale order. Okay, I named it sale order, and now after pressing F2 I have to this is a much important thing, I have to fix the function code for this button, because when we will click on this button the function code will be activated, and the function code will have the value, the SYUCOM will have this value. So I write here SO for the function code value, and now our button is ready for calling the sale order. Till now I just have to write the PI event. So when we will click on the button, the system will move and will execute the process after input event, and in the process after input event we have written the code that if the SYUCOM will have the value of SO as we have fixed is SO, then leave the screen and call screen number 2000. So let's check it out, because we have also activated the our screen, and also we have activated the our module pool program. So let's call another session and check the output. Here it is. Now we have the new screen with the new field created by document date created on and the sale order document. Now click on the sale order button. As we have put a breakpoint on SYUCOM, the system redirect to the debugger, and it's showing that the SYUCOM have the value SO, because we have clicked the button sale order. So let's click on the execute F8. Here it is. Now you can notice the sale order screen have been called. So we have to make arrangement for in the screen number 2, that is sale order, to get back to the first screen of sale contract. Let's exit from /n. Here it is. So now we have to call the screen number 2000 of the same program, and then click on the change button. Also we have to move to the layout of this screen, so then we can change it accordingly. Here it is. Now as you have noticed that the two of these elements were not showing on this screen, so let's first off this made it off this module, that is change screen, and now let's get on to this module module user command 1000, because you can notice that because we have copied the old one, so the name of the module user command is 1000. So let's change it out to the 2000, and then not now. Let's only save it out and then move to the layout of this screen first, and then click and then create a button. This will also into the middle of the screen, and we will name it that back to sales contract. You can also change it accordingly, according to your needs or according to your position. You can also fix it out, and you can also mid screen. So here it is. Now I also named it PB back SO SC sales contract. Also, you can also notice that the color of this button is not normal, because it's required the function code of this button. So now I fix it to the CO, because we will move to the CO screen, sales contract screen. Let's SC sales contract. Now you can notice that our button is now looking normal. Now let's activate this screen. So now let's change the user command 2000 programming, and let's double click on this module and then click the main program. So now we are now in the user command 2000 of our screen, the second screen, that is our sale order screen. So we will have to write a code to get back to the sales contract screen, as we have written this code to move from sale contract to sale order screen. And now if we want to get back to the screen, the first screen, that is sale order screen, we can copy the same code, and we just have to change the value of SYUCOM and the value of screen number. So as I made the function code as C for sales contract, and the number of the screen is 1000, so we have to change the screen number only. Let's make it clear. Here it is. Now activate the screen, activate the module pool program. So our program has been activated. Let's check the output of this into another session. Let's call the Z input screen transaction. Here I click on the sale order button. It will redirect to the debugger, as we have fixed breakpoint there. Now you can notice that the both fields are now looking nice on this screen, because we have off the old module, and now the another button back to sales contract is now placed in this screen. So if I click on the back to sales contract, it will redirect to the sales contract screen, and if I click on the sale order button, it is now calling the sale order screen. So this is the thing which control the screen sequence, and we can control the sequence of screen in this way. Also, the one thing we can also do for leaving the entire application. So let's move to the flow logic. Here it is. Now let's move to the layout editor. We will just create another button. for exit only, I just uh, write here exit and name it exit. Also I just fix it the function code ex, so then we can check it in the module pool. Let's first activate this screen, and then we'll change in the module pool program, and we will check the syucom variable to ex, and we will use the statement leave program for exit from the application or exit from the screen. Here it is. Now again go to the user command, module user command, and also right here if the syucom has the values ex, then leave program. We just have to write the leave program statement, and then the system will exit from the sequence, from all the sequence of the application. And here it is. Now our module pool program has been activated. Let's check it out, its output. So as we have created an exit button into the sales order screen, now it's showing here, and if I click on the exit, then the system will exit from all the application, no matter whatever the screen is, whatever the screen number, the system will exit from the loop of the screens. So hope you learned something new, hope you understand the sequence of screen, and we will discuss in detail the other topics of module pool programming in the next video. If you like this video, do click on the like button. Also, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in another new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.